What is going on? So I got a quick little video. It's going to involve the old Jeep here, and I'll turn the camera around and show you exactly what my problem is. So my problem is I do not have a clutch. So what happened was last week I was on my way home from picking the kids up from school in the Jeep because they've been asking for me to come pick them up in it. And so I drove over, picked them up, and on the way home, I was driving through the neighborhood, left a stop sign, heard a loud pop, and my clutch pedal disappeared. So I instantly, pulled it out of gear, coasted to a stop, and initially I thought that maybe the cable or something had come undone. So I crawled underneath there, and I'll show you exactly what I found. My adjuster had broken, and to kind of show you what it should look like, got the new one here. So as you can see, it completely lost the ball, whatever you want to call it, the part that sits into the clutch fork. It just snapped off, and I'll show you. Crawl under here. Your adjuster, the adjustment tool, or tool, not tool, but the adjustment goes here. Threads on, like so. You put it on here, goes all the way back, and it's on the clutch rod, which comes over and is connected to your clutch pedal. And it's supposed to seat right there. Grab the new one. So it's gonna seat right here. And when you push on the pedal, it pulls and disengages the clutch. So when that little ball snapped off, I lost the clutch. So as I've already gotten it taken off, it's pretty simple. You just stick a wrench on this nut and another one on the tool, on the rod, and you spin it off. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the new one on and get everything adjusted to where it needs to be in tension wise, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Could not find my pry bar because I'm in the middle of moving. But I have my great big breaker bar, so let's see if I can get in here and disengage this clutch enough to hook this up. All right, so as you can see, that would be how your adjuster pops onto the clutch fork. Now it's all back to one unit. Now I just got to grab the keys. I'll start it up, depress the clutch, make sure the clutch fully disengages. If it doesn't, I will have to back off this jam nut and create a little bit more tension in the clutch pedal to get it to fully disengage. Then I will cinch it all down and it'll be good to go. So that's how you fix the adjuster on a old CJ5 Jeep. I don't know what year models this is the setup, but I believe the eBay auction said it was for 66 to 72. It's probably going to be about the same for a lot of them. So any questions, put them down below. If not, hit that like and subscribe. thanks for stopping by, and you have a great day.